Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, November the 25th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading right now. The Dow Jones is pretty much flat, only down 9.5 points. The CompQ is up 5.25. The Russell 2000 is up 5.5 points. The S&P is down. The Russell 2000 is down 5.5 points. Russell 2000 is the weakest index today across the board. The S&P is down a buck half. And take a look at some key sectors here. The XLF, the financials, XLF is down 12 cents. The XOI, the oil index, is down 7.5 points. Taking a look at some of the commodities here. USO's up a penny, pretty much flat. GLD's up 91 cents. GDX is up 61 cents. JJC Copper's flat. Volatility is up today, up 92 cents on the VIX. Silver is up 27 cents. Euro is strong, and dollar is still positive here. If we take a look at the market here, we had some nice selling pressure coming into the markets this morning. Some nice readable patterns in play here. Starting off with the ES 15-minute chart that you're looking at right here. Let me zoom in, fix this chart up for you guys real quick. You can see we pretty much rallied up overnight during the overnight session Sunday night. We had a nice little uptrend here. Clean up some of these lines here. And then we were trading in a range going into the open between 1520 and this 1523 level. Pretty much once we broke that 1523 three-point range in the ES, we had some nice fall-through volume to the downside. A nice little bear flag, which you can see right here on the 5-minute chart. This nice little bear flag pattern right here. All right, that broke down. We rallied right back up. The back test held, and we continued to the downside. And then we got a nice little bounce off our 1507 level. So definitely some nice action in the markets today. Nice tradable action that providing trades to the top side and to the bottom side. You just got to make sure that you're in the right stocks. And aside from that, some decent action. You just got to pick your spots right. If we take a look at the ETFs here, for some of you guys that watch the ETFs, let me bring up the ETFs here. Where's it at? There we go. We see the SPY getting a nice little bounce. Got a nice little bounce off of Friday's opening price, that area around the 150-122 level, which also lined up with this little key band that we had right here. Now you want to be watching the SPY to see if you can get back above 152. If you're looking to get bullish on the markets, we need to see the SPY above 152. If the SPY holds below 151.84, that would not be good, and that would still show some weakness in the markets there. Taking a look at the IWM, which is leading us to the downside today. Got a nice little bounce off of Friday's previous day's lows, Friday's lows around the 90.37 level, which also lines up with the opening price, since the Friday's lows was the open. And you can see that one's been going straight down. Still in a downtrend. The weakest index out there right now, leading us down, was the Russell 2000 today. Which is down 0.52%. And then we have the Qs. The Qs try to get a little bounce above that 67.60 area, 67.50 area, that key level that we've been talking about in the daily videos where they have been trapping the buyers. And now we broke the little downtrend line, and they gave us a nice little bounce off the previous day's highs in this area right here. So, they're still looking weak. The level you want to watch in the Qs is going to be the 67.38 level, then the 67.50 area. If we make a lower high in those areas, those upper levels, we could be looking for the market to reverse right back to the downside. So keep an eye on that as well. As far as some stocks goes, we had some decent action in lows to the short side on the open, but then it got kind of choppy, so we kind of been staying away from it a little bit there. But it did have some nice action to the downside on the open there. Obviously, this is stock in place, so you got to trade off the 1-minute chart. And now it's pretty much just chopping around. It's trying to hang around the previous day's lows. So you got to use the previous day's lows as level to watch, along with this previous day's close around 37.65. What else here? We had a CHK on watch to the downside this morning. This one broke down pretty well. Called this one out for a short off this little bear flag that took place below the previous day's lows at 1980. Got everybody involved to the short side on the break below 1980. That one worked out pretty well, plus 40 cents on a $19 stock. And then we had AIG on watch. We're watching the AIG, the key 39 level. I'm holding below 39 as a short, and didn't even get a chance to get above 39. Just popped right up there and got rejected immediately. So some good stocks we had on watch in the chat room. Obviously, we were not able to catch them all, but we did catch two of the trades, the CHK trade and the Lowe's trade. And hopefully you guys are having a great day. If you have not been to our website yet, wallstreettrading.com, go check it out. If you want access to our chat room, You can go to the website and fill out the form for the 14-day free trial on the right-hand side, and you will get the credentials emailed to you. Since we finally got that working again here, we fixed that up. So you should be able to get that checked out and have the access to the room to check it out. In any case, that's about it, folks. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll catch you guys after the bell for the After the Bell market summary. Cheers. Peace.